going to learn English. In English, we learn English grammar. So our topic name is article. Article is very important part for our exam and a daily knowledge. So before we going to learn articles, I will tell you something about article. So first, article means it is a letters come before some words. Okay. So in Marathi we can say article means upapade. Then in our English language there are main three articles. In our English language there are three main articles, a and the. So there are three main articles in English language. आपल्या इंग्रजी भाषेमध्ये तीन उपपदे पडतात, ते आहे a and the. Okay. So there are three articles. First one is a, second one is and, last one is the. Okay. So these are the three main articles in English language. So we making two group here, a and the. Okay. So we make two group. Why we make two group here? Because a and is a indefinite articles and the is okay. So a and is a indefinite articles and the is a definite articles. So before we going to learn where we use articles, first you know the how many alphabet in our English language. So how many alphabet? So total alphabet is 26. So in our English language there are total how many alphabets? A to Z, A B C D, Z परत किती आहे? 26. So in alphabet there are two parts. Okay, we making two parts here. So first vowels and second one is consonants. Okay. So in alphabet, the total alphabet is 26 and in alphabet there are two types here, vowel and consonant. So how many vowels in English language? So there is total 5 vowels in English language. In 26 there is a 5 is a vowel. So which one the vowels? A, I, O, U, E. You write like that? Yeah, A, E, I, O, U like that. So it is correct here. A, I, O, U, E. Yeah, you can write like that. A, E, I, O, U. Both are right here. So A, E, I, O, U. Okay. You write in sound small also. So A, E, I, O, U. There total 5 vowels in English language. So remaining, how many remain here? So consonant is 21. Okay. So in Marathi we can say vowel means स्वर and consonant means व्यंजन. So इंग्रजी भाषेमध्ये 5 स्वर असतात आणि राहिलेले 26 मधून 5 इकडे गेले तर राहिले किती? 21. 21 राहिले. So 21 is all are the consonants. Okay. So remaining A is there. So B, C, D, F, I. So remaining all Z. Remaining all there 21 are a consonants. So in alphabet 26 there is a 5 vowels and 5 minus 26 is a 21 is a consonant. Okay. So before vowels and before consonant which article you use? So before vowels we use and articles and before consonant we use a articles. So before vowels we use an articles and before consonant we use a article. vowelच्या अगोदर जर vowel आले असेल तर त्याच्या अगोदर आपण अँड आर्टिकल यूज करायचं आणि जर कॉन्सनंट आलं त्याच्या अगोदर अ आर्टिकल आपल्याला यूज करायला लागेल. सो फॉर एक्झाम्पल हिअर आय गिव्ह एन एक्झाम्पल लाईक दॅट. फॉर एक्झाम्पल apple. So this word you look first. The first letter you look. So first letter is A. So which article is coming here? And. Why and coming here? Because of A is a vowel, and before vowel we using an article like that. Suppose second one is orange. So you look like that. First letter. The first letter is O. So O is vowel or consonant. So O is a vowel here. A, E, I, O, U. So before vowel we using and articles. Understood? So there is a one rule here. Suppose like that coming here our. Okay. So before like that words you immediately write a article because of H here. Because of H here. काय वर्ड्स असे येतात की त्याचं सुरुवातीचे जे लेटर्स असतात ते कसे असतात कॉन्सोनंट दाखवतात. ओके. आणि तुम्ही लगेच काय करता तिथं अ लिहून टाकता. बट इट इज अ रॉंग हिअर बिकॉज सम वर्ड्स इन आवर इंग्लिश देर इज अ स्पेलिंग इज डिफरंट बट pronounce is different. So here is a pronounce is not H. Here pronounce is like O. Not hour, hour. So like that words you also write and articles. Like that O. So we pronounce like a O. Our, honest, honorable. Like that words coming there is a H letter means consonant starting but pronounced like a vowels. So we write immediately here and here. Okay. Second one is A. So before consonant we write A articles. For example, dot dot pen. Dot dot pen. So you look first word here. You look first. So P is a consonant. So P is a consonant. So we write A articles. For example, second one is car. So which is first letter here? C. So which article use? C is a vowel or consonant. Here is a 5. So here is not a C here. So there is a consonant. So you write before C, we write A. Understood? So these are the vowel and these are the consonants. Okay. Then third number, this complete. Then the is there. So the article. There is a 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then the article. So where we use the article? The first one thing in a word. One thing in a word. So suppose there is a Taj Mahal is there. Taj Mahal. So before like that words, Taj Mahal is a one thing in a word. In other there is a not a Taj Mahal. Only one Taj Mahal in Agra. So before there is one thing in a word, you write the article. Okay. जगामधली एकमेव वस्तू असेल तर तिथं त्या नावापुढे आपण द आर्टिकल यूज करायचं. सेकंड वन, बिफोर सम रिव्हर नेम. बिफोर सम रिव्हर नेम यू राईट द आर्टिकल. बिफोर सम रिव्हर नेम यू राईट द आर्टिकल्स लाईक दॅट. ओके. नद्यांच्या नावाच्या पूर्वी तुम्ही द हे उपपद वापरायला पाहिजे. देन थर्ड नंबर, बिफोर डायरेक्शन. बिफोर डायरेक्शन ईस्ट, वेस्ट, नॉर्थ, साउथ या लेफ्ट, राइट, फ्रंट, बैक लाइक दैट ऑल्सो यू राइट द. सो देयर इज अ ईस्ट. So east is the direction. So you write the article. Before direction you also write the articles. Then some holy books. Some holy books like Quran, like Gita. So before that holy books you also write the articles. Before some holy books you write the articles. On the board there are some question on article. In your exam the question is coming like that on article topics. Okay. So on the board there are some questions of article topics. Every time I told you when you solve any questions you read at least 2 times. Okay. So first we read all the question and second time we try to solve it. So one number, which article will come at the dot dot dog. Second one, find out the word having the incorrect articles. Third one, there are dot dot articles in English language. Fourth one, choose the correct articles among the following. Fifth one, which article will come at the dot dot boat. Then last, sixth number, dot dot honest. And last one is Ganga river. Okay, so these are the question on articles. Second time we will try to solve it. Everyone look on the board and listen proper. So first, which article will come at the dot dot dog. Which म्हणजे कोणतं article या शब्दापुढे येऊ शकते. Okay, so when you write any articles, you see the first letter and then you remember vowel and consonant. Okay, so the first letter, when you see first letter, you recognize the alphabet 26, and in alphabet there is the two parts, vowel and consonants. Vowel are 5 and consonant are 21. So vowel 5 मधलं हे आहे का D? नाही. So it is a consonant. So option is and, second A, third the, and last one is no articles. So which is the correct article here? Because of the A article. Because D is a consonant. D is a consonant. So we write which article will come at the dog. The article at the. So there is a. There is a dog. Understood? Now second number, find out the word having the incorrect articles. Incorrect article ची जोडी आपल्याला शोधायची. One number, a bird. Second number, an ant. Third number, the Ganga, and last one is an pen. Okay, so A bird, here is a correct here. An ant also correct here. There is a B consonant, there is a vowel and correct here. Then the Ganga also correct here, and pen. So and pen, there is a P is there. P is a consonant. So there is a A is coming. So they given here and. So it is a wrong here. But we choose the incorrect option. So it is the incorrect option. But here our answer is correct. Now 3 number, there are dot dot articles in English language. आपल्या इंग्लिश लँग्वेज मध्ये किती आर्टिकल्स आहेत? 1 number 2, second number 3, 3 number 4 and 4 number 1. So which is how many articles? Total there are 3 articles in our English language, A and the. Now fourth number, choose the correct articles among the following. Choose the correct articles. Downside they given some articles, you choose the correct articles. जे करेक्ट जोडी आहे ते आपल्याला शोधायची. जसं आपण इथं इनकरेक्ट शोधलं तसं आता इथं करेक्ट जोडी आपल्याला शोधायची. 1 number, a parrot. Second number, a orange. Third number, a owl. Last one is a apple. So a parrot correct here because P is a consonant. The P is a consonant and A is a article. Because before consonant we use A articles. There is a orange O. So it is a vowel. So there is a. It is a wrong here. It is coming for an. Here for apple, there is a an is coming. It is also wrong. There is a hour. We pronounce like O, not H. So it is also an. So 2, 4, 3 are incorrect. Only one is correct here. So it is A, parrots. Next one, fifth number. Which article will come at the dot dot boat? बोट या शब्दापूर्वी कुठला आर्टिकल येऊ शकते? ऑप्शन नंबर 1 and, second A, third the, and last one is no article. So because of B is a consonant. So before consonant we use a article. So second number is correct. Now dot dot honest. Dot dot honest. So option number 1 A, option number 2 and, 3 number the, and there is no articles. So there is a first letter is consonant. First letter is consonant, but it sound like a vowel. It sound like a vowel. So before vowel we using and articles. Okay. The next one, Ganga river. Ganga river. So option number 1 A, option number 2 and, 3 number the, and last one is no articles. So before river name I told you which article we use, the articles. Okay, so these are the question on coming like that on articles topic. If you know all the articles, where we're using proper articles, you solve all the question based on articles very easily. Thank you.